In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile color in Asana. Customizing your profile is a simple way to make your workspace feel more personal and easier to recognize at a glance. In Asana, one of the main ways to do this is by updating your profile photo, which changes how your avatar and color appear across projects, tasks, and comments. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and you're on any main page, like your home or my tasks view. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your current profile icon there. This might be a colored circle with your initials, or an existing photo if you've already set one up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon in the top right. When you click it, a small menu will drop down. From this menu, you'll want to open your personal settings. Find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window or panel where you can manage different aspects of your account, like notifications, appearance, and of course, your profile. Once the settings window is open, you'll see a series of tabs or sections. Look for the one called Profile. Click on the Profile tab to bring up your personal information and profile customization options. This is where Asana lets you control how you appear to your teammates. In the Profile section, you should see your current profile image or a placeholder icon. Right next to it, there will be an option that says Upload New Photo. Click on Upload New Photo to start changing how your profile looks. As soon as you click that, your computer's file picker will open. Here, you can choose any image you'd like to use as your new profile picture. For best results, choose a clear, high-quality image where your face or chosen graphic is easy to recognize, even at a small size. Select the image, then confirm your choice, usually by clicking Open or a similar button in your file dialog. Asana will upload the image and update your profile. In many cases, you'll see a quick preview and it might adjust the image into a circle. Once it's finished, your new picture and its associated color will appear in the top right corner